In this section, we're going to be looking at percent applications. And just take note that this section is not in your book. So this is just an extension. So before we start, we need to define some words here. So first of all, a markup. When we're talking about prices, a markup is an increase from the wholesale price of an item to the retail price. So for example, let's say you go to an American Eagle store, they sell clothes. So American Eagle might only pay $5 from a company who makes the shirts. That's the wholesale price. So they might only pay $5 to get their shirts. But then the retail price is what me and you pay. So we might pay $20 for that shirt, even though American Eagle only paid $5. So that's how they make their profit, is by marking it up, a markup. Now a discount, I'm sure you're all familiar with. This is a decrease from the original price of an item to the sale price. Okay, so we all love discounts. That's when the store charges us less than they originally were charging. Okay, so let's look at example 1. We're trying to find the retail price, so find what we're paying. It says a store buys decorative pillows from a manufacturer for $2 each. The store marks up the price by 400%. What is the retail price? So some store, maybe Art Van, gets their pillows that they're selling for $2, and then they charge consumers, and they mark it up by 400%. So we're trying to figure out, what are we actually paying? What's the retail price? So let's find the markup. Let's find how much they're marking it up. We know it's 400%, but we don't know how many dollars that is. So we're going to take the original price, or the manufacturer price, $2, and multiply it by that 400%. Now 400% as a decimal, if we take 400, here's where the decimal originally is. If I scooch that 2 places over, it's right here. So it's actually equal to 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So that's how much they're marking it up. So the retail price is going to be the original price plus the markup. So the original price is what the store is paid, so $2. They marked it up $8. So we would have to pay $10 for that pillow. It's a lot for a pillow. Well, kind of. Okay, next example. It says you buy a backpack that's on sale, ooh, we love sales, for 25% off of the original price of $20. What is the sale price? So first let's figure out, what is 25% of 20? How much are we actually getting off? So we want to find the discount. So to do that, we're going to take the price, the original price, and multiply it by 25%, which is 0.25. If I multiply that in a calculator, or just take a fourth of 20, I get $5. So that's how much is being taken off of the original price. So now the sale price is going to equal the original price minus the discount. So originally the backpack was $20, but I'm taking off $5. So now I only have to pay $15 for the backpack. Not a bad deal. So this was a markup versus a discount. We had to add the markup to our original price here, and then subtract for a discount. Okay, one more example here. Using sales tax and tips. So this is something we've all come across at some point. When you're ordering food, and not only do you have tax, you also have to pay a tip to waiters and waitresses or delivery people. So it says, using sales tax and tips. You order a pizza to be delivered. The bill is $18. you give the delivery person a 15% tip. And then the sales tax is 5%. What's the total cost of the pizza? Okay, so we need to figure out not only the tip, but also the tax. So let's figure out those amounts. We know the percents, but we need the amount. So we need first find the amount of, we'll do tax first. So what you do is you take your amount for the bill, which is $18, multiply it by the percentage. Now, 5%, if I change that to a decimal, scooch your point over 2 places, you get 0.05. That is your decimal for 5%. So I'm going to take 18, multiply it by 0.05, and I get 90 cents. So that's the amount of tax. Then I need to find the tip amount. So I'm going to take that 18. I need to now find 15% of my total, which is 0.15 of 18. So you multiply, and you get 270. Okay, so I've got my tax and my tip. So now the total is going to be the cost of the pizza plus the tax plus the tip. And I know all these amounts. The cost of the pizza was $18. The tax was 90 cents. And the tip was $2.70. Oops, sorry. This is supposed to be an addition sign. And when I add those all up, I actually end up paying $21.60 for my pizza. Better be a good pizza.